Now at 6, a huge medical bill can be very stressful for a lot of Arizona families, and now a charity is stepping in to try to help them out.
This is such a neat story. They pay off strangers' medical debts using donations. Nicole Kreitz shows us how it works.
Nancy and David Giselle got hit with a $1,300 bill after a series of complicated medical issues.
We've had a really rotten time. He had three strokes, totally full-blown strokes. I fell and broke both knees. Ended up in the hospital and the rehab center for 6 weeks. So we have so many bills from all that.
That's when they got a letter from RIP Medical Debt saying they didn't owe any money.
And we went, wow, that's amazing. We were just so shocked. It was absolutely great.
Executive Director Allison Sesso explains.
We're a mission-driven, nonprofit. There are lots of nonprofits out there that are trying to do different things to make the world a better place and to give back, and that's what we are.
Their mission, showing the true impact of medical debt to erase the stigma from needing that unexpected emergency money.
Because this is not a problem that somebody, overspent on they went out spending dollars and then they're in debt. This is something that you got sick, you needed health care, you got the health care you needed, and now you're dealing with the consequences of our broken healthcare system.
For every dollar donated, the charity is able to pay off $100 worth of medical debt. In Nancy and David's case, a simple $13 donation paid off their $1,300 bill. RIP Medical Debt works with hospitals to identify patients who need the most help, then basically buy that debt and pay it off. Since 2014, they've been able to eliminate nearly $3 billion in medical debt.
I'm not surprised at all that we have so many people interested in making donations to us, because so many people have experienced the insanity of the debt market themselves and of the healthcare system and being in debt themselves or dealing with a very high bill.
Here's the thing. You can't apply for this. The charity seeks out unpaid bills, then sends people surprise letters in the mail, writing off an average of $1,000 to $5,000.
It's not just a broken healthcare system, but a broken economic system. The fact that most people can't afford and have a $1,000 debt over their head is really, really problematic.
Nancy and David plan to pay it forward.
I think we'll send them 20 right away.
They're encouraging others to give back too to this organization or any. Big or small, the impact is often immeasurable.
And if you would like more information, we put a link on our website, azfamily.com. And RIP Medical Debts is also trying to recruit more hospitals willing to work with them to erase those unpaid bills.